Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal. Today I have a fun project for you. We're going to make a boho vibe t-shirt. So I have this design right here. This is only 1 plus credit. This would be so cute on a tote bag. This would be really cute too on the back of like a hoodie sweatshirt, and then do like a cute little something different like here, like a little boho rainbow or something on the front pocket. Lots of different ideas to do with this one, tons of different colors as well. So what I did was I used this, I do believe this is like cashew from Caesar. This is their Caesar Easy Weed. I do believe this is the color cashew. And I thought it would be really pretty on this neutral color. So this is like a more natural, neutral Gildan t-shirt. This is one of their heavyweight cotton ones. And I just thought this would be really, really cute. So it is the month of February and it is Valentine's, and right now it's about hearts and love. So I thought, why would not make a boho heart? So super in love with this design. What we're going to need here is our t-shirt. Like I said, I've got my Cricut pad right underneath. I've got my bigger Cricut Easy Press, and I'm going to go ahead and start by removing the moisture. Make sure that you also remove any sort of lint and debris if you need to do that as well. It only takes around 5 seconds or so. Basically, you're pulling out that moisture and smoothing everything out. So once you do that, we're going to go ahead and figure out where we want this to go. You can just simply follow this neck tag around 3 fingers down. So I'm just going to go ahead and take our super cute design right here. Center everything up, making sure everything looks good. Everything looks good. I should be able to get this with 1 press. So I'm going to go right on top. So I'm doing 315 for 30 seconds. So if you were using a bigger heat press, I would do around 305 for around 11 seconds. So this is a super quick, easy project for you guys. Very last minute if you need a t-shirt to gift to somebody or even to wear. I'm a huge fan of everything boho. So I just think this is an everyday, whether it's a new t-shirt for school, it is super cute. All right, so we got a few more seconds here. Now, when it comes to Caesar Easy Weed, it is a hot or cold peel. You could definitely hot, warm, or cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel it warm. You're just gonna go ahead and peel at an angle just like so. I'm in love with this. I think it's so cute. So now what we need to do, you guys can hopefully see that texture coming through. That's what you guys want to look for, is the texture coming through. But according to Cricut's recommendations, they do recommend that you flip your t-shirt over. So as usual, we're going to flip it over and press for another 15 seconds. So if you guys are new with the Cricut Easy Press or, you know, HTV in general, Cricut does recommend this because we can't give enough pressure as you would get with a big heat press. So definitely don't skip that step. This is going to heat up your adhesive from the back. All right, move that out of our way. And so hopefully we'll bring this up so you guys can see that texture coming through the HTV. So if you can see this look right here on your HTV, you are good to go. So hopefully you guys can see the color here, that this is kind of like a neutral. It's like a lighter tan, if you will, with this brown cashew. Is gorgeous. But look at all of that work right inside of here. This is super easy to weed. It may look a little bit difficult, but it is not. So you could definitely use your weeding lights for those. But I definitely think this design is gorgeous. Once again, this design would be super cute on a tote bag as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.